turn on the power switch. Then turn on the gas. This is the nitrogen gas. And then set the pressure at 5 bar. Output pressure at 5 bar. And then turn on the machine. The machine switch in here. Turn on. Release the emergency button. Turn on the key switch. Turn on the laser button. Turn on the laser enable. This is the laser enable. That means if I turn on this one, I can use lasers. Turn on the automatic welding machine. Set the nozzle center. This is a laser beam. Here, setting position of the red line. Here, as you can see, the red line on the left side. I want to move the laser beam on the middle side, so I want to let the laser beam to go to right. Here.